Namaste. Dear friends, we are in a very beautiful process of understanding the meditation. You understood the history of meditation, the whole tradition of meditation. Here I want to tell you what is meditation. It is very important to know what is meditation before we practice meditation. Many people, they meditate just for spiritual practice. This is okay. Many people meditate for healings. That is fine. And many people meditate for enlightenment. That is also super good. So, what actually the meditation means? Many people from many traditions, many countries, many understandings, they understand in a very different way. But mostly what is used, is understood for meditation is a mental discipline. Meditation is a mental discipline where you come out from your regular mental thoughts. What is a regular mental thoughts? Always our mind is moving through the senses, bringing the sensation from the outside object and giving the impression to the mind field. And we are always involved with that interaction of the mind. That is our regular mind. From the morning you get up until the evening, mind works, and make us in a very different stage of stress and anxieties, restlessness, and all those things. So first things, meditation take you out from there, and where it will take? It will take you to a different state of focus. Before, where in the normal state, our mind is not in full control. Always you are thinking and you do not control your mind. But here when you practice meditation, you have a certain control. Certain control of mind, that is also meditation. So, second definition of meditation is a self-awareness. Normally, what you are aware of? You are aware of your families, job, friends, things, problems in the life. But we are not aware of our inner self, the inner awareness. Who are you? That we never think about it. How is everything inside me and my mind, my emotions? We don't aware of it. We are aware only mostly outside things. So meditation is a self-awareness that allow you to understand and focus on yourself. Rather, you are focusing on things outside. Third thing is meditation is an insight and it is a deep relaxation practice. It is a way where you release the tension of insight and you completely relax inside. Do you feel relaxed after you meditate? Yes. So, how it is able to relax your mind? It is able to relax your mind first because it allows you to rest in the body. Then because of the flow of thoughts, it ceases, it stops the flowing of thoughts. Then your mind feels relaxation. And because you are practicing meditation and you practice stillness during the meditation, that help you to release the tension physically. Okay? The fourth thing is, it is a practice of self-development and healing. How it develops yourself? Normally, our daily behavior, daily interaction, when it is not regulated properly, we cannot go more higher than that. But once you become aware of yourself, like if your children are there and you don't care your children, they grow up without your proper care, and you are busy with your things and you do not take care of the children, then what will happen? Children will not raise well, and definitely in the future they will have lack of self-control and lack of understanding of life. So, but if you guide them properly, but if you watch them, if you are aware of them properly, and you love them properly, then understand that my father, my mother is with me, and they're taking care of me. Whenever I go wrong, they take me to the right path. So meditation takes you to the right path, because you are aware of your thoughts, you are aware of your feelings, you are aware of your emotion, you are aware of your movement, and because of that, meditation develops yourself. Understand? The meditation is a self-development practice. Also, meditation is a healing practice. Why meditation is a healing practice? Lots of physical, mental problems we have. Once we meditate, then all physical, mental, emotional problems go away. Because Swami Rama says more than 80% of the diseases are psychosomatic. It comes from the mind. And here in the practice of meditation, you control your mind. You control your negativity, and that helps you to heal yourself. And that's why meditation is a self-healing. So, meditation also is spiritual development practice. Meditation is a spiritual sadhana. Why it is a spiritual sadhana? Because human being is not only a physical body, is not only a breathing body or thinking body, but human being also a spiritual body. We also have a spiritual body. Being a spiritual body, we have to develop our spirituality. Spirituality is everywhere. Atma, the consciousness, is everywhere. But we do not develop our spiritual understanding. Spiritual understanding is understanding of your real self. And that is called higher awareness, higher state of awareness. Being aware of the body, mind, breath is different thing. But once you go more and more deeper to yourself, and once you are aware of yourself, the consciousness, then that is the higher state of meditation, and that is one of the things in meditation. Dear friends, not only meditation is that higher awareness, also meditation is focusing. So, development of concentration, development of the focusing is also meditation. Here you learn how to focus your mind into the things, work, or any object of the concentration. And that focus, that concentration change your whole life. This is the only thing why we fail in our life is a lack of concentration on our work, on our family, on ourselves, and on everything. And meditation is a development of concentration. And meditation is also a creativity. Once you meditate, it developed creativity. You develop so many things. It is said that Newton, Einstein, all the great scientists, they were the great meditators. Because the meditation developed that skill. Okay. So another meaning of meditation is meditation means emotional healing, and it is a practice of self-reduction, the reduction of the anxiety and stress, problems. So if you meditate, your problems will not stop to come to you, but you have the ability to hold yourself in the problem. Dear friends, so we are always attacked by our emotional disturbances. We have lack of control on our anger, jealousy, fear, all negativity. That is called 6 enemies: Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Madhavacharya, desire, anger, greed, attachment, pride, jealousy, ego. And these 6 enemies, when attack our life, we are destroyed. That's why meditation is the balancing practice of these negative things. So this is the whole normal understanding that people know, and we have to understand that what is meditation in this way. So if you practice meditation, lots of things going to happen in your life. Okay, thank you so much. And in the next video, I will tell you what is meditation in that yogic scriptures, so that what scripture says. And as I told you, the normal understanding of meditation, as people understand, now I'm going to talk with you what is meditation in the scriptures. Thank you.